this beautiful tiger striped ute. There's the pilot hanging out outside. It's keeping cool. It's a hot day. We got 85 degrees today. Wetzel State Park, Radio Control Club of Detroit's flying field. Looks like we might have somebody coming in now. The giant quarter scale is coming in, and if I can catch him, I will catch him. There he is. Probably not the greatest spot to catch the landing. Oh, there he is. He's still coming down. He's floating. He's a floater. Look at that. Good landing. Very good landing. So we're gonna watch him come around here, see what he does. Looking sweet. I should also mention this year we have a raffle this year for a Carbon Cub 15cc with an 85-inch wingspan. And tickets for this were 6 for $5. I bought myself 24. We're going to see if I can get my hands on this year. That'll be pretty sweet. I have no reservations. Look at this guy. He's having such a great time. All right, moving around. There, he's taxiing that quarter scale up.
Let's hope they don't run out of hot dogs.
They won't run out of hot dogs, I promise you. I promise. My son is with me today. He is all about hot dogs, and we're going to make sure he gets one here. I just want to catch a couple more minutes of this guy. Oh, no, Gabe. They plan well in advance for these events to make sure there's enough hot dogs. Everybody gets at least 4 hot dogs at these events. At least.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. So let's check it out. Let's come over here. We're going to go take a look at the hot dog scenario. And here is the culinary group area over here.
Well, if one person gets 4 hot dogs,
yeah,
they might as well run out of hot dogs already.
How many hot dogs are you going to have?
Possibly 1 or 2.
You might have possibly 1 or 2 hot dogs. Well, then you save 2 hot dogs for somebody who wants 6. We're good to go. Look at that. A culinary team doing their worst.
Line here, or?
Oh, yeah, he is. You can go ahead. It's all right. We got this. We're not going to run out of hot dogs. I promised him that.
Well, he's probably hungry. Go ahead.
Yeah. All right, go on, brother.
Filmaholic.
Filmaholic. That's me.
You know how much I don't like social interactions.
Yeah. I'm going to have to buy it for you? Okay. Look at that work there. There we are. There's the guys with the skills and the knowledge, and this whole this grill is a sight of manliness to behold. Oh yeah, flip that stuff. Oh yeah, baby.